Huge waves hit the island and storm takes on a biblical name. Strong waves hit the coast of British Cornwall, and the Meteorological Office there warned that Storm Noah would damage the island with winds of 120 kilometers per hour. Images on Twitter show giant waves rolling in from the sea, while spectators on the cliffs look like dwarfs. The Shakespeare was named by Météo-France because it received strong winds in northern France, and the British Met Office adopted the name of the new Shakespeare, writes The Sun. The alert for Britain comes after damage from high winds, overturning trucks and falling trees on roads, injuring people. Here we come to the end of another video. Leave your like, share the content, and subscribe to the channel to receive more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.